Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Data Cloud Now. We're currently in San Francisco, and hot off the press, Sema4.ai's agentic AI comes to the AI Data Cloud via a Snowflake Ventures investment in the launch of their new Team Edition AI agent platform. To discuss this announcement and more, I'm delighted to be joined by Ram Venkatesh, CTO and co-founder of Sema4.ai, along with Christian Kleinerman, EVP of Product at Snowflake. Gentlemen, such a pleasure to be with both of you here today.
Ryan, thank you for having us. Always happy to be here. And Ram, awesome to see you and be here with you.
Absolutely, and thank you for having me on the show.
Ram, firstly, congratulations on your funding round. We were thrilled to get to be part of it through Snowflake Ventures. Sema4 is doing interesting things with AI agents. Can you tell us more about the launch of your new Team Edition AI agent platform and how it's addressing critical problems that plague modern businesses?
Absolutely, and we are super excited to be here and talk to you about this today too. With Team Edition, essentially for Snowflake customers, this is going to let customers create, deploy, manage AI agents right inside their Snowflake estate without leaving the security and the governance, the trust boundary. So we think this is super exciting what it enables for customers, and we're thrilled to be part of the journey with you.
It's an exciting next chapter. Christian, from your seat, why was now the pivotal time for this investment with Sema4, and how does it further showcase Snowflake's commitment to AI agents and the impact they will have on everyday work?
Yep. So I'll say two things. One, I've known Ram for 20 plus years.
That is right.
He's one of the most amazing technologists. He is one of the most amazing customer-focused entrepreneurs. So I would invest in him without knowing what he's doing. But we looked at it with a Snowflake Ventures perspective, and what Sema4 is doing resonates 100% with the state of adoption of AI in the enterprise. I think 12 months ago, a ton of people were, how hard can that be? I want to just go and you do a language model, point it to the data, and it should all work. The reality is there's a lot more to it. There's the experience, there's the how do you make it produce results that are valid, and the fact that Ram and Sema4 overall are building on top of Cortex just makes it very synergistic. It's what our customers want. It leverages the platform capabilities that we have envisioned. So we're very excited and delighted about the investment.
Thank you.
It's great to hear. Now, gentlemen, let's dive into the details. Sema4 integrates with Snowflake Cortex AI and enables customers to take action on enterprise applications, connect to non-Snowflake data sources, and orchestrate Cortex AI services like Cortex Search, Cortex Analyst, Document AI, and more. How does this partnership collectively power the broader AI Data Cloud's ecosystem to do more? Christian, why don't we start with you?
Yeah, I would say that tying to my comment a minute ago, the timing couldn't be better. From organizations have realized that AI and agentic use cases of AI are what's going to lead to productivity enhancements. And I think something that we're very aligned on is the notion of making those experiences easy to use, but also make sure that the answers, the correctness is there. You recall, we've been saying it at the conference all week long and even before. At Snowflake, we stand for easy, connected, and trusted. And the easy piece, we're very aligned. The connected, this is literally what we do. Bring technology to our marketplace so we can help organizations connect. And I think a big focus for you, I think the word you guys use is safety.
That is right.
And for us, it's trusted. So we're so aligned, and that's why we're excited.
It's great to hear. Ram, from your seat.
I think, the key thing I took away from Sridhar's keynote and Christian as well is the message around simplicity. We believe that a parallel to this is sort of one of our guiding principles. We call these safe agents, which is about security, accuracy, fast or speed of construction, and extensibility. All of these are the key things we think are what customers are looking for when they want to go agentic. And with this offering, this collaboration, we think we're very aligned in how we can enable this for our customers.
Now I want to look towards the year ahead in the future. How does this integration allow your collective customers, like engineered solutions, to team up with AI to make decisions to get things done throughout the enterprise? And what does this new era of work look like? Ram, let's start with you.
Yeah, see, I think that it's two words. Continuous improvement. This is something that business users have never had in the past. It's always been really painful and hard to build bespoke applications and get them to be deployed and then change them at the rate that you need to change them for the speed of the business. That's the key thing that this new natural language-based agentic model enables is for them to continuously make small changes all the time and improve a little bit every week, right? And that, I think, is a powerful unlock. When business users see that for the first time, that's the wow moment for them, is that, oh, this can help me make my work better, not just today, but we can see a path to improving over time.
I think you were sharing the analogy with what CI/CD has done for engineering.
Exactly.
In that world, is like, yeah, just make the product better continuously. I don't think we've traditionally thought of business processes that way, and that's the goal of what you're doing, right?
Yeah, that was the exciting thing for us was, this is like compound interest. Like it's this thing that just keeps growing and building on itself with continuous improvement and training. And that's the new AI way, I think, that should enable businesses to get much more efficient, but also unlock new use cases and scenarios for them. So that's one aspect of it. And then the other side is we lovingly call this persona DAD, or data application developer. Folks who are in Streamlit today, imagine what they could do if they could program in English, SQL and Python with like no friction, right? So we believe that this is going to make things like 10x faster for this persona, which should, and again, enable faster velocity, faster time to value for outcomes.
And Christian, anything you'd like to add?
No, I think organizations have realized that reinventing the wheel over and over does not make sense. So back to the Sema4 makes this type of agentic solution development, but more important, continuous refinement and iteration so much simpler. And that's where companies should be focused on. So it's a very natural partnership for us.
Very much a win-win on both sides, gentlemen. Such a pleasure. And Ram, for the audience eager to get their hands on Sema4.ai, how can they do so?
Oh, we are live in the marketplace, in the Snowflake marketplace as of today. So all they have to do is just go search for Sema4.ai, and it's a completely digital find, try, buy experience. This is the cool thing that we're really excited by. It's powered by a very simple consumption model. The idea is that they should really be able to experiment with very little friction right in their Snowflake estate. It's literally one click and they can get set up with an agentic platform. This is the easiest way for them to think about agents.
We love to hear it, gentlemen. Congratulations on this exciting next chapter.
Congratulations. Super happy to have you
Absolutely.
here and on the marketplace. Excited to continue the partnership.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you out there.